You will never go broke if you learn to ask ChatGPT these 4 words. The 4 words is what, how, where, and who. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on Immaculate Show. So guys, let's talk about Sing. Imagine having a personal assistant that gives you your business ideas, tells you how to make money, shows you where to find opportunities, and even connects you with the right people. Well, guess what? That assistant is right here. It's ChatGPT. If you know how to ask the right question, you'll never go broke again. In this video, I'll show you 4 powerful questions: what, how, where, and who. Good morning. Before we go very far, let's say thank you very much for returning viewers, and even for everybody out there that has been really good on Immaculate Show. Thanks for loving us. Thanks for allowing us bring our beautiful faces to your screens. Without wasting the time, let's dive in, and the class in progress. The question number 1 that if you ask and really it is answered when you'll never go broke is what? With ChatGPT, it can help you find profitable ideas and solutions. This is where you ask ChatGPT to generate money-making ideas and solutions. I believe all of us now, we know how to access ChatGPT. We know where to find ChatGPT. We know what ChatGPT is, so I'll not go deep into that. And here is how you can ask ChatGPT, what is the profitable niche? What are people looking for? As you can see on the screen, the moment you ask ChatGPT, what exactly? Okay, let's go in. If you ask ChatGPT, what are the 20 products that people are looking for right now? It will give you those 20 products. Now that you want to confirm that these are 20 products, click on one, copy one, go to Google Trends. When you go to Google Trends, you will find that product there. People are getting it. You will even know the value. You will even know how can you start from. Don't go just blindly. You can even ask ChatGPT, what are people looking for most? Or what are they shopping on Amazon? When you ask ChatGPT, will give you a list of the 20, 100 things that people are looking for, they're searching for. You can even go narrow it to the region that you're in. So the moment you narrow to the region you're in, do you know where we're coming to? Step number 2. You can even ask, what are the most profitable side hustles in 2025? If you're a person who is not into business, you don't want to do, the first one was drop shipping, now you want to make content, profitable hustles, or you want to make, you want to look for a hustle which is profitable, go to ChatGPT, ask it right away. It is going to give you the answer. What skills can I learn in 30 days to make money? Yes, it will show you for you, like in 30 days, if you want to make money, this is something that you should. So by asking what questions, you get instant access to business ideas, trends, and profitable opportunities that can set you on the right path. Gone are the days when we just start a business, you think about it, you say, I'm going to do it. No, learn to ask, because what you might think is flourishing might not work, because now we are going a bit beyond our horizons. We are going beyond our circles. Your customer is not your neighbor. Your customer is not your friend. Your customer is not your workmate, your churchmate, your mosquemate. Your customer is out there. When I'm talking about a customer, I mean the person that is going to look for your product, the person that is going to look for your service, the person that is going to watch your video. Do you know the person who makes my thumbnails? I've never met him. I don't know him. No. He's not in United Arab Emirates. He's not in Uganda. He's not in Africa. So why do you think? So you need to go out. Your market is outside. So are you a person who makes thumbnails? Are you a person who makes graphics? Your customer is not your circle. That circle that you have is not poor, but might not support you. Business. Let's go to this. The second question you have to always ask for you to be rich. And the right person to ask is ChatGPT. How? When I talk about how, this is If now the ChatGPT has told you the best selling niche or profitable niche on YouTube is making money online, you have to go ahead. That is the second step. How do I do it? This is what I did. How do I do it? I always ask, even up to now, how do I do this? How do I do this? So ask how. Now that you have an idea, you need a strategy to execute. That's where how questions they come in. For example, how can I start social media marketing agency? How can I start making money with affiliate marketing? How can I monetize my WhatsApp group? These are the things that I always tell you people, how do we do this? How do we? So instead of you blowing your mind and it's like, these ladies talk too much, these people talk too much, you need to know, okay, if she has said that you can make money with WhatsApp group or WhatsApp, the next part is how. If you don't trust what the person you're listening to, trust these tools, they can do wonders. So these are the 4 things that will, if you know how to ask ChatGPT or these tools, you'll never go broke at all. Now ChatGPT will break everything down into simple steps, so you're never stuck wondering what to do next. This is like having a free business coach at your fingertips. I love this coach because he has been a darling to me, even when I don't have what to speak, but I have the idea. I'll say, how do I do this, baby? And we'll bring the idea. Okay, so make him or make her, make it your best friend. The third question that has made us be uplifted financially is where do I find money? Where do I find opportunities? I know some of you are there wondering. Knowing what to do is great, but where to do it matters. Where to find customers, where to find clients, where to find platforms to make money is very important. Where to find people to watch your videos is very important. Ask ChatGPT where questions to uncover hidden opportunities. What are these hidden opportunities? For example, where can I sell my digital products? Where can I find freelance clients online? Where can I find remote jobs that pay well? These are the questions that you need to ask. The place. You don't go where you don't know. But ChatGPT knows where you're going, depending on what you want to do. This is where, and this is what I always tell you, don't be broke if you have a smartphone. I'll know this ChatGPT will know where to make you go today and where our money is today. Like as you watch this video, ChatGPT knew my money for today will come from this video. Seriously. Instead of wasting time searching on your own, that was those days. The question 4 and the last question for you to clean up and cross up your money online or your money wherever it is in your products is to ask who. Find mentors, clients and partners. Finally, with money can flow. It flows through people and it flows through places. You need the right connection to grow. Use who questions to find the right people. For example, who are the top influencers in my niche? This was the first thing I looked for when I discovered this, that I need to know. Guess in my niche, the people they brought. Guess there are very many people, as you can see on the screen. Whom can I network with to grow my business? Who is hiring remote workers in my industry? With the right who, you can find clients, business partners, and mentors who can open doors of success. So here you are, you guys. If you really never want to go broke again, start asking ChatGPT these 4 game-changing questions. What? It will make you find profitable ideas. How? It will get you step-by-step guidance. Where? It will make you discover making money opportunities. Who? It will connect you with the right person. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me which question you go with. Oh, right now, what are you going to ask ChatGPT? Hit the like button and we'll check each other in another video. Bye-bye.